got some leaks, roof leaks, and leaks coming into the slab. I got to figure out where they're coming in at and then fix the leaks.
This is water coming into my shop during a heavy rain.
One possible spot could be leaking into the wall is this. This is my power supply for my irrigation, and it's come loose in the wall. So I'm going to caulk that and then use this strap to hold it on there tight, keep it from coming back off. First I'm going to form this strap. That should work. Then put the caulking down. Let me get a screw in there. All right, got that secured. If that's a leak, it's stopped. Now let's go look at the other ones. So here's another unusual sight. I don't know if you can see that light coming through. That's a hole going directly from my shop to the outside. I don't know why it's there. Another weep hole that's not supposed to be there. Water just drains right in from the yard. I gotta fill in this hole. Hopefully that will stop the water from going into the shop from that leak hole. I gotta do the other holes. Finding out more places how the water is getting into my shop. These old framing boards have rotted away, and now I got a place going right down into the dirt where the water and termites or whatever can get in. So now I got to dig all that out and plug it also, and then look for any other openings that I need to plug. I don't know why it was built like this. Got a trench with the weep holes and framing timber left in there. I don't know, it don't seem like a very good way to build a slab. Now I'm going to have to clean that hole out and let it dry, then seal it somehow. Alright, I'm going to finish sealing up this hole back here. Okay, it's pretty much sealed up, full of tar. Hopefully it should work for that big hole. Another point of water leaking in is these weep holes. That one's been plugged with foam, but it's leaking through. And I don't know why they have a weep hole. There's no brick on the outside. So I'm just going to plug that one up. There's one over there. And a few years back, we had termites coming in underneath here. So the bug man, we called the bug mobile. I don't remember which bug man it was. He came out here and he drilled these holes through the slab to put the termite poison down. But the problem is now the water's coming up through there when it rains a lot. So I'm going to have to drill that out, clean that out, and reseal it, and then I'm going to have to reseal those somehow. Now here's the leak, again from the vent holes. And the holes that were made for the spray the poison for the termites is back flushing in. Alright, now I gotta clean out the old seal that's leaking through, put some fresh in there, something different. Now this is the other side. Go ahead and put this plug in the hole on the outside. Now I'm going to put some tar asphalt sealant on the inside. Alright, got those weep holes plugged up. Now with these holes that were drilled for the termites, my bug contractor gave me the plugs for it. And they already sprayed a bunch of termite poison down in there. But I'm going to put some of this termite and carpenter ant killing dust in there first. And then I just take these plugs they gave me. And hammer them down in there. I don't know if this hole is all the way through or not. I'll find out. Yep. This has some dirt. And there you go. Finished with plugging the holes. Baby, 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 baby.